So as you can see, what I've done is taken a Y stick and basically made like a nail to hold that up there. If I need to cook over the fire, it's a great anchoring point. So we're going to pull this up, take it over the bench, take a better look at what I'm talking about. So as you see here, we made it to a spear point. You want this stick to be as straight as possible. Depending on what's available to you, kind of got to go with that. But you definitely want it as straight as possible. And you want this branch here to come out more towards the 90-degree if possible. What that happens is once you chamfer your end up here so it doesn't split out, then you can come down here and hammer this in and use this as anything from tent stakes to, as shown in at the beginning of this video, it can be also used to hold sticks down. Now this is a better setup than trying to use a Y stick, which I'll show you the Y stick. Now this is the Y stick. These are extremely helpful, and I suggest using these when you can. Keeping them around camp, great tools. But the same goes for here. It's a great tool as well. So just minor things that you can make that will make life easier around camp or hiking or anything else that you want to do outdoors that involves cooking or nailing something down to the ground. So there's your tools. 2 simple tools today. And I hope this helps you to be able to make some simple tools around camp. And if it does, give me a big thumb up. And share this video. Get it out there. Let other people learn. And I shall see you guys later.